Do you want to drive more traffic to your website, blog, or portfolio using LinkedIn? Adding a link to your post is a simple but powerful way to increase visibility and engagement. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add links to your LinkedIn post step by step and share some pro tips to make the most out of it. First, let's go to LinkedIn and click Create a Post. Paste the text or create the text that you want to share to your network. Add some context about what you're sharing. Keep it engaging and relevant to your audience. Now, let's go to the website that you want to share. Copy the URL and go back to LinkedIn. Now, find the place where you want to put your link and paste your link. LinkedIn will automatically generate a preview if the link is valid. If the preview looks good, you're all set. Now, double-check your post for any last-minute tweaks. After that, hit post and let LinkedIn do the rest. And that's it. Now you know how to add links to your LinkedIn post the right way to maximize engagement. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your network, and follow for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the next one.